Good morning, my dear respected students. Today, I'm just going to discuss some questions which is to be considered as a part of your practicals for session 2020 and 21. And here it is one important thing which you are going to remember is that these questions are basically relates with that how we are going to create an interface between a Python and a MySQL. So here is the question. Question says, write a MySQL connectivity program in Python to create a table testing with the following information, that is a roll number of integer type, and st name is a character type with a size of 10 characters, and the name of the database will be test, and we are supposed to perform these two operations. First is insert two records in it, and second it says display the content of the table. Here you see that we having answer key also, which is for reference only. But it's my humble suggestion that you all are requested to perform this practical by your own with the help of this reference key. This is not I consider it as an answer key. I consider this as a reference for you only. So here it is in Python, we having that information also. Here I'm just going to talk about only in case of the functions. These are the different types of functions here. And my dear respected students, it says that here it is in spite of using different names for different databases, what we are going to do, we are supposed to ask from user that you are requested to provide the name of the database. That's why we have mentioned here input enter database name, and here it is we are using a new style with a function that is a format here. These two curly brackets representing that we are expecting some values from the user, and these values are being stored in a variable which is to be called as a dname. After that, for using this, we use a use, and then again these curly brackets representing that we are expecting these values which is being stored in a variable that is a dname. I'm not going to explain each and everything. This is for your reference only, and you are going to perform. In case of any problem during the practicals, you are requested to discuss the same with your teacher. Again, if the existing database, for example, if I'm just going to enter a test here, and if the test is already there, they gives you the error, which is a part of except exception as a. And if error or if you want to drop the database, this is the function which allows you to drop. With the help of that, we are going to drop database and these curly brackets accepting a value from the user, and the value is being stored in a variable which is a dname. Next, C underscore table is a create table. E underscore data is that how we are going to input the data. First of all, we are expecting these values and store these values in a variable, R number and name. And then we are going to store with the help of a dot format function. We are going to store these information within these two. We are going to replace that information. And then for displaying the content, I'm just going to use that module. And here it is the part of main here, where we are going to discuss about host, user, password. And then we are just supposed to use we are going to create an interface between a Python and a MySQL with the help of this cursor function. And then this menu will appear when we are going to perform the operations one by one. I'm just going to press the F5 key here, my dear respected students. And what it says, for example, I'm just going to hit the key number 1, which says create database. And I'm just going to type here as mentioned in the question test. Whenever I'm just going to hit the test here, it says, and this information is a part of except exception. It says cannot create database test, database exists. So what we are going to do, we are going to give some another name for a database. And if you don't want to use another name, what we are going to do, we are going to click on the second option, which says drop database. And now they are talking about give me the name of the database which you want to drop. I have just entered the hit the enter key here, and it says that database deleted successfully. Okay, what happened now if database is deleted successfully? Now again I am just going to click on the one option, and mention here the test. And whenever we are going to hit the enter key, it says database created successfully. Now I'm just going to next step. That database is created, and now next step says that I'm going to create a table here. Now I'm just going to hit the option number 3. Again, it says table created successfully. Okay. Now I'm just going to enter the information which is considered as option number 4. It says I'm going to hit 4. I have mentioned 1. Okay. I have mentioned here Sam. Hit the enter key. Again, yes. Again, 2. Again, I'm just going to mention Dev here. No, I don't want to enter more information here. Now what happened? I want to display that with the help of option number 5. I'm just going to hit the option 5, and here is the information. If you want to add more data here, again selecting option number 4, I have entered 3 and HAU, and here it is. I have mentioned no. Again 5, it says yes. I allow you to insert more information. It's my humble request, kindly go through with this practical session, and for your reference, all the answers of each and every question is being added here. As in this question, second question, they are saying which is same, insert 2 records, modify name of the record roll number 1 to PQR. What happened here? In such case, rest will be the same. Rest will be same. This is a create table. This is a create table. This is the entering data. This is again same, that we are going to insert the data. After that, here it is displaying the data, which says select star from testing. Okay. Now modify data. What it says enter the roll number whose names to be updated. And after that, what they are going to do, they update test set st name is equal to PQR, where roll number is equal to these 2 curly brackets, which says that these curly brackets will be replaced with a value which is being stored by the user in a variable R number. And after that, they display print database updated successfully. And this is the part which is to be considered as a main section from where we operate that particular program. Again, same thing. Insert 2 records, delete records. Okay, if you want to delete the record, again, I have using the same, creating a database drop. Okay, creating a table, enter the data. Okay, after that, here it is displaying the data. Now deleting a data. This is the module which says that I am going to delete the data here. And how we are going to delete data? On the basis of roll number. It's up to you whether you want to delete basis on the roll number, name, or something other than this. What we are going to do, we are accepting a value which is being entered by the user and store that information in R number. Then we execute delete from testing. This is the name of the table, where roll number is equal to curly brackets, and these curly brackets is being replaced by this value, that is a R number. It's very, 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 very easy, but only practice is required. If you are going to attempt this once or twice, then you are able to do this very easily. So thank you very much, and God bless you. Hope all enjoy this session. And for your reference, this question paper along with the answer key is being attached with this video in a description box. And if you want to download, click on that option and you can easily download. Thank you very much, and God bless you.